In this video, we're updating our soap dispenser on our kitchen sink. We have this matte black stainless steel pump that we put in. The pump is really smooth and it's really versatile. You can put dish soap in there, or if you want to do lotion or hand soap, it works for all of those. We're replacing our sink faucet with a black one as well, so the matte black color is going to complement that really well, and we're really happy with the way that it looks. Here is how it looks coming out of the box. The instructions and installation process is really straightforward and quick and easy. You'll just want to make sure that your hole diameter is between 1 and 1.5 inches. Once it is installed, the container can be easily refilled from the top, so you never have to go back under the sink to fill it up. My husband did the installation process and it took under 30 minutes. It was really quick and easy. It has a 17-ounce container, so it's a decent size, so you should have to refill it less often. Here is a look at it under the sink. It was hard to get a good angle and good lighting under there, but this is what it looked like once it is installed. This was gifted to us by the brand so that we could do this installation video and provide some feedback, and I definitely think this is a good option if you're looking to upgrade your soap dispenser on your sink.